Hello, thank you for visiting my channel today. In today's video, I would like to share with you some information on a job opportunity that you may be interested in. So sit back, relax, and I will go through this with you. The job I would like to share with you today, or rather the company I would like to share with you today, is called Endear. The position is customer support agent. It's fully remote and it is a full-time job. Endear is looking for a thoughtful and organized customer support agent who is passionate about problem solving, operations, and owning the support experience for a growing SaaS company. As Endear's customer support agent, you'll be in charge of the front line of Endear's highly rated user experience. Separate from the sales team working with individual accounts, customer support at Endear serves as the face of the platform, ever present, always available live chat and support email channels, powered by Intercom, going above and beyond getting the ticket closed and instead helping users get the most out of Endear in real time. With an eye on how customer satisfaction can result in upsells, retention, and the overall health of the company, this job balances scalability and efficiency with friendliness and empathy. On top of fielding user questions with accurate responses, this person will be responsible for scaling the live chat experience both for users and other live chat agents. In this role, you'll report directly to the CEO with the opportunity to grow your position into a broader managerial role, overseeing customer experience based on performance. You're, you're right for this role if you have an affinity for problem solving, operational excellence, and user engagement. The responsibilities for this position: ensure customer questions are answered promptly, correctly, and with the Endear voice. You will also educate users on how they can help themselves by way of Endear's Help Center, Academy, and blog. You will also build strong relationships and work in tandem with other departments, including sales, marketing, and product. And you will stay on top of escalated issues. You will save at risk customers' relationship. You will report to team at large on issue trends, and you will preempt user confusion on new features launches and file bug reports for issues that need engineering fixes. The requirements for this role is 1 to 2 year experience working at a SaaS company, 1+ years experience with customer support, 1+ year working at a startup with 50 people or less, proficient in intercom, strong written and verbal communication skills, creative problem solver with a passion for software and technology, enjoy working in a fast-paced and ever-changing environment, self-starter, and comfortable working remotely. The benefits for this position is 50,000 to 75,000 annual salary. Comprehensive health plan including medical, dental, and vision. 100% remote work with optional co-working stipend. Stock option plan, unlimited PTO plus public holidays, flexible working hours. To apply for this position, you would click here and it'll take you to this screen. And you can either, if you already signed up with them before, you can autofill your application, or you can import your resume from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Then you will enter your personal information, first name, last name, email, and phone number. Then for the profile, you'll go down and it's optional to put in your education. It's optional to put in your experience. But if you would like to, this is for your educations, the school, field of study, degree, start date, end date. And the same for experience, your title at the job you were at, the company name, industry, summary, start date, end date. And do you currently work for this company? Next, you will put in a cover letter. But your cover letter here is optional. And have you used Intercom before? Yes or no? Then you will submit your application and they will contact you for the next step to take and let you know what status your application is in. And then you can, just follow step-by-step instructions after that because they will contact you by way of email more than likely. So this is all that I have for you today. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to be notified of more job opportunities, and you have a great rest of your day.